In our mathematical language, everything in this universe, whether living or non living, is called an object. A, a given of objects is said to be all defined. If we can definitely say whether a given particular object belongs to the collection or not. Set. A well defined collection of objects is called a set. The objects in a set are called its members or elements or points. We denote sets by capital letters A, comma B, comma C, comma X, comma Y, comma Z, comma etc. If A is an element of an A set A, we write A belongs to A, which means that A belongs to A, or that A is an element of A. If A does not belongs to A, we can write A epsilon naught A. Illustrations. The collection of all vowels in the English alphabet contains 5 elements, namely A, E, I, O, U. So, this collection is well defined and therefore it is a set. The collection of all odd natural numbers less than 10 contains the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, the collection is well defined and therefore it is a set. Third point. The collection of all prime numbers less than 20 contains the number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So, the collection is well defined and therefore it is a set. Fourth point. All possible roots of the quadratic equations x square minus x is equal to 0 are minus 2 and 3. So, the collection of all possible roots of x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0 is well defined and therefore it is a set. Fifth point. The collection of all the rivers of India is clearly well defined and therefore it is a set. Clearly, river Ganga belongs to the set of, while river Nile does not belongs to it. Sixth point. The collection of 5 most talented writers of India is not a set, since no rule has been given for deciding whether a given writer is talented or not. Seventh point. The collection of most dangerous animals of the world is not a set, since no rule has been given for deciding whether a given animal is dangerous or not. 8. The collection of 5 most renowned mathematicians of the world is not a set, since there is no criterion for deciding whether a mathematician is renowned or not. 9 point. The collection of all beautiful girls of India is not a set, since the term beautiful is vague and it is not well defined. Similarly, rich person, honest person, good players, old people, young man, etc. does not form sets. However, blind person, dumb person, illiterate person, retired person, etc. form sets. How to describe or specify a set? There are 2 methods for describing a set: roster form or tabulation form. Under this method, we will all the members of the set within braces and separate them by commas. Note that the order in which the elements are listed is immaterial. Example, write each of the following set in the roster form. A is equal to set of all factors of 24. Second, B is equal to set of all prime numbers between 50 and 70. Third, C is equal to set of all integers between minus 3 by 2 and 11 by 2. Fourth, D is equal to set of all constant in the English alphabet which precede K. Fifth, E is equal to set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Sixth, F is equal to set all month having 30 days. Conic sections, parabola. Under this heading, we shall study about the curves, namely parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. These curves can be obtained as intersection of a plane with a double napped right circular cone. Naps. Let L be a fixed vertical line and let M be another line intersecting it at a fixed point A and inclined to it an angle alpha. When M is rotated around the line L such that alpha remains constant, then the surface generated is a double napped right circular hollow cone. The line L is called the axis of the cone, A is called its vertices, and the line M is called the generator. The two parts separated by the point A are called naps. Conic section. When a right circular cone is intersected by a plane, the curves obtained are known as conic sections. Intersection of naps of a cone and a plane. Suppose that a plane cuts double napped cones, each with a semi-vertical angle alpha. Let beta be the angle made by the plane with the axis of the cone. Case 1. When the plane cut the naps but not at the vertices. In this case, the following situations arises. When alpha is less than beta is equal to 90 degree, the section is circle. When alpha is less than beta and beta is less than 90 degree, the section is an ellipse. Hence, the equation of a parabola with the vertex at the origin, focus at the point f function a comma 0 and its directrix x is equal to minus a is y square